welcome back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back with a new tutorial. So today's look will be using a wig that I received from UNice hair. I'm super excited about this. And this wig is a 24-inch wear and go wig, 6 by 4.5 lace. It's 150% density. It's a black wig with blonde highlights. Body wave. I love highlights and I haven't done highlights in a minute, so I'm really excited. So yeah, let me show you guys the packaging because they have a new packaging and I'm so excited about it because I love it. Okay, so this is what the box look like. I'm obsessed with this new packaging, like the color. And FYI, the robe is also by UNice. It says UNice right here. It actually came in the box and I took it out because y'all know me, I gotta have my robe and bonnet situation every time I do my hair. It's just my vibe. But yeah, so I really love their new packaging, really love the color, and it matches perfectly with the robe. I think before the packaging, the box was red, which was cute, but it was giving very much Christmas. This is giving UNice, you know what I mean? It's giving luxe. I love it. When you open up your box, of course you will find your robe, which I'm already wearing because I couldn't wait. You will also find this little pink silk bag to keep your wig nice and tidy in, and you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find this goodie bag here, which has a wig band, a HD wig cap, and some press-on nails. Are you shit? Press on nails. I love the color scheme, like they're just keeping it pink vibe all throughout and I love it. And a whole box of minks. UNice said no budget, baby. We is giving out all the goodies. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. All right, so this is her nicely wrapped in a net. Let's go ahead and check her out, see what it's giving. So like I said, it's a 6 by 4.5 lace wig situation. This is what she looks like. I already love the highlights. I love the bounce that it has, even though this is only 150% density, which I don't mind because usually when I do wigs I do 150, 180 depending on like the texture. If it's straight I do a 180. If it's body wave, I don't really like my hair too full, so I do like the lesser the density the better. So this is a 150 and I'm obsessed with this bounce. Look at this bounce. The wig just looks super healthy. Honestly, you could tell by the shine. Like I said, this is a 24-inch. She's looking really good. This is what the inside looks like. It comes with this adjustable band on the inside. You could pull it down if you have a bigger head or a smaller head like me. This is all I love to tell people, like this is all you need when you want to do a glueless look. It comes on the inside, on the side, on the bottom, just to give you that extra grip. This is what the lace looks like. I could definitely tell that they bleached the knots, which I love because like I said, I'm a very simple girl. I don't take the extra mile to like bleach my wigs and do all of that. So when it does come already done, I appreciate it. Chef kiss. But yes, so it looks like it's been pre-bleached, pre-plucked. She's pretty much ready to go for me. I'm super excited to see what she's gonna look like. So let's go ahead and apply her style.
Don't deny what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just
Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun, and as you guys can see, it turned out looking so bomb. I was actually going to do a regular middle part body wave type of like curls, but as I was installing the wig, I just felt like I didn't want her to be basic, you know what I mean? I did a half up half down situation, curled it on the bottom, did this little fuzzy look on top, 2 pieces in the front, and I'm obsessed with it. And I also did no baby hairs, only sideburns, because I gotta have my sideburns. It just turned out so good. I'm even surprised that I did this on my own. Like, I did this. The fact that I only used a little bit of glue to install this wig and it held on, she is holding it together, okay? Also the fact that this wig was already HD lace, it made it super easy for everything to just like blend in perfectly with my scalp, so I can maintain that HD effect. I'm just so happy with it. Like, I'm obsessed. This looks so good. 10 out of 10. Shout out to UNice hair. If you guys love this look and you're interested in purchasing, make sure you check out UNice. I will have all their links down below to the store, to this wig, and everything else you guys need to know. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.